Schlage smart locks, like the Encode Plus, streamline guest access for Vrbo rentals. They eliminate physical keys with temporary codes and remote control features. This video shows you how to set it all up for worry-free hosting. As of 2026, over 60% of Vrbo listings in the US utilize smart lock integrations. Two core features drive Schlage smart locks: temporary codes and remote control. Temporary codes are automatically generated PINs sent to guests via the Vrbo app. These codes expire automatically after checkout, enhancing security without physical keys. Remote control allows hosts to lock or unlock doors from anywhere, send new codes on demand for early arrivals or changes, and monitor access logs to track when guests enter or exit. The first step is choosing a compatible Schlage smart lock for Vrbo integration. Popular models include the Encode Plus and Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt, priced around $250 to $300. Make sure the lock uses Wi-Fi or Z-Wave protocols for remote management. Begin by installing the Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt on your rental property's door. Follow the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions carefully, which include installing the bolt, touchscreen, backplate, connecting the cable, securing the lock, and adding batteries. Next, create a Schlage account using the Schlage Home app. Download the app, sign up for an account, and link your newly installed lock to it. This connects the lock to your account for remote management. Finally, ensure your Wi-Fi network uses a strong and secure password. Avoid weak passwords like simple words, and opt for complex combinations with numbers and symbols for better security during the lock setup process. Log into your Vrbo host dashboard using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the Smart Lock integration option in your dashboard. Click the Enable button to activate the Smart Lock feature. Grant the Schlage app permissions to share access codes with Vrbo. This setup allows Vrbo to automatically send temporary codes to guests upon booking confirmation. Once linked, Vrbo automatically generates temporary codes for each guest. These codes are sent via the Vrbo app. Codes expire after the guest's scheduled checkout time. You can also manually generate new codes if needed for early arrivals or special requests. The Schlage Home app allows you to remotely lock or unlock your door from anywhere. Simply tap the lock icon in the app interface to change the door status instantly. You can also check access logs in the app to see who entered or exited the property and when. This helps monitor activity for security. For added flexibility, send new temporary codes on demand through the app. This is useful for early arrivals or additional guests. If your lock model supports it, enable geofencing for automated access based on guest location. This can unlock the door when guests arrive nearby. Regularly update your Schlage Lock's firmware to patch security vulnerabilities. Use strong Wi-Fi passwords and consider enabling two-factor authentication 2FA for added security. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a code sent to your phone. If encountering code synchronization errors, contact Schlage support or consult Vrbo's help documentation. VPN usage is recommended during initial setup to protect your connection.